When the trail calls, you don't bring just any truck, you bring an SAV built rig. This is the 2025 Toyota Tundra Platinum, elevated and upfitted by Sierra Adventure Vehicles and transformed into a full desert-dominating machine. Underneath, Camburg KINETIK Series control arm kit, and Fox Factory Race Series 3.0 internal bypass shocks with position-sensitive dampening and dual-speed compression. The kind of setup that laughs at washboards and eats whoops for breakfast. Sitting pretty and sitting tall on 17-inch 707 method wheels, wrapped in 37-inch Mickey Baja ATs. Because grip, ground clearance, and grit matter when you're chasing the horizon at full speed. From our shop floor in Truckee to the high desert, this isn't just a Tundra, it's a trail-ready, go anywhere, high-speed, haul everything force. Built for the wild, tuned for the fast lane. Truck by Toyota and trail ready by Sierra Adventure Vehicles.